Good morning. Just check. Voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. One or two problems we will solve. Time is limited for this lecture. So where we were, second chapter, equilibrium. In that again we were studying frictional. Means it is just a last content. Just it is a last content for this. बोला एक मिनिट. So limiting friction. So we were studying a few problems also we have solved. So where we were, just we will take quick recap and then we'll start further solving. Okay, limiting equilibrium. What we have studied about limiting equilibrium? Is it body at stationary in limiting equilibrium?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This body is about to move. We cannot say body is totally at the equilibrium. Body is just about to move. That condition of body is called as लिमिटिंग इक्विलिब्रियम. बॉडी आता जस्ट मोशन मध्ये जाणार आहे, जस्ट आय एम सेइंग, बट स्टील बॉडी इज इन स्टेशनरी. वी कॅन से limiting friction. It is a maximum friction that can be generated between two static surfaces in contact with each other. Is defined as limiting friction. Okay, then certain terms. So once again, just I have told these terms we should know very well. Okay, so what is mu? Coefficient of friction. So limiting friction F upon R. So mu is equal to F upon R, limiting friction force divided by normal reaction. That ratio is constant always, and that ratio is nothing but mu, coefficient of friction. The constant of proportional is known as coefficient of friction. Then definition, that is there. The constant ratio of frictional force and resultant reaction is known as coefficient of friction, mu. Then angle of friction, phi. Are you observing screen? I'm changing the screen continuously. Just check.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one by one terms. Just I am revising quickly. Coefficient of friction mu, angle of friction phi. What is this? Angle between what?
Resultant
इसका मतलब angle.
reaction and normal reaction.
Resultant reaction and normal reaction.
Yes, resultant reaction and normal reaction. So here by what notation we are indicating resultant reaction? Yes, and normal reaction R. Okay, normal reaction by R and resultant reaction by S. It is denoted by phi. So this is denoted by phi. Okay, it is dimensionless quantity. Resultant reaction S is equal to R square plus F square. So it is there something like this. Then relation between coefficient of friction mu and angle of friction phi. What is the relation? So we know. So just we have drawn this one of the diagram. Just we have drawn one of the diagram, and in which we have applied tan phi. Phi is nothing but angle of friction. That is just we applied, we got F upon R. So tan phi is equal to this. Tan phi is equal to mu. Okay. Since mu is equal to F upon R, this is the relation between angle of friction and coefficient of friction. Okay. Further, angle of repose. What is angle of repose? Can someone tell me quickly what is angle of repose, which is denoted by alpha? So we have seen this as well. It is denoted by alpha.
Angle inclined with horizontal.
But whom? By whom? कुणी कुणी केलेला अँगल आहे हा?
Angle made by
Angle
inclined
made by inclined plane
horizontal.
with horizontal surface.
Yes, angle made by inclined plane with the horizontal surface. When the body is placed on the plane is just about to move. So I have given example. If there is some surface and I am going to tilt that so that body is just about to move, whether it will be by force or it will be by own force, own weight, due to its
Own weight.
due to its own weight, that is known as alpha, and it is nothing but angle of repose. Okay, that we have seen. Further, here we have drawn a relation between angle of friction phi and angle of repose alpha. What is that relation? Actually, a slide is not saved, unfortunately, maybe due to power off. Here we have derived in your notebook. So can someone tell what is the relation between angle of friction
Phi
phi?
is equal
Phi
to
is
alpha.
equals to alpha.
Equal to alpha.
Phi is equal to alpha. Angle of friction is equal to angle of repose. So that relation we have derived. So this it should be there in notebook. So it was not saved in on my slide. We have solved this. Further, we have started to solve simple problems. Okay, few problems we have solved. Very simple. What was our aim? So one was weight reaction, and we know frictional force. It is something like action and reaction. For whatever it may be the force, there will be that much reaction, something like that. Suppose a particular object is pulled by 52 Newton force, so it will have certain, we can say, frictional force, that is F is equal to mu R. Okay, in that way. What is mu? Coefficient of friction. And what is the range of coefficient of friction?
0 to 1.
0
Yes,
to
it
1.
is 0 to 1. It is 0 to 1. Always we should remember that also. So it is always 0 to 1. So these problems we have solved, but unfortunately it is not saved on the screen. So this also we have solved. I think this one simple problems where object is pulled by horizontal force. That all type of problems we have solved. The problems which uh, in which we have pulled the object by horizontal force, that all we have solved. Correct. But one problem we were came across here. Okay, is it the same? Just check. Where that object is pulled by inclined force, not horizontal force, inclined force. Okay, which is inclined at 25 degree with the horizontal, and its intensity is how much? Just check, or we are necessary to find, determine. Oh, yes, we have to determine the magnitude of force. Okay, which can be moved a body. Yes, we have to determine by how much force we have to apply on this body so that it will move. That's all. Okay, so let us see now. So whether this problem was going on?
Yes, sir. Homework
Yes,
question.
sir. Homework
Yes.
question है.
Okay, have you solved?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can someone tell me what is the value of P?
87.1, sir. Newton.
Yes, sir. Same.
80,
87.20.
21. Okay, so it's good then. 21, no? Okay, very good. You have solved others. Other than this, have you solved others as well? We will solve quickly. Shortcut, not in details. What is given in this problem? Can someone tell me first? W is given
Yes, sir.
Yes.
300 Newton. Next, mu is given.
Yes, sir.
Then we were angle is given. Okay, angle is given. P. And
Alpha
we
is
were
equal to 25.
alpha. On which basis you are saying alpha? Is it alpha? Hmm? Who is telling? Sakshi? You are
Yes, sir.
telling this? On which basis
Yes,
you
sir.
are saying that 25 is alpha? कशावरून म्हणताय की हा अल्फा आहे? Means it is the angle made by plane with the horizontal. But here that angle is not made by the plane. It is made by inclined force. Angle कशाने केला? Inclined force ने केलेला आहे. Our aim is to apply summation f x summation f y. But here that force is inclined. So simple way we can, what we can do here, P cos P cos 25, and what will be here? P sin
25.
P sin 25. It is as simple as this. Okay, then P cos 25, P sin 25. So now all forces are either horizontal or vertical. So what you have did finally? काय केलं सांगा बरं फास्ट जरा कोण सांगते? Have you applied summation f x summation f y?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, what you got applying summation f x is equal to 0.
P cos 25
P cos
minus
25
equal
minus
to
F.
0.
P cos 25
Minus F.
minus
mu
hmm,
r
F.
or
minus
f
F.
equal to 0.
Okay, minus mu r, that is frictional force, equal to 0. So what whether we are knowing mu,
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
whether we are knowing r,
No, sir.
No.
Sir.
then we can find r, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore r is equal to, what will be that? This will go that, is it something like this? Just check. P cos 25 divided by mu. Is it coming something like this? Just check. R is equal to,
Yes, sir.
what is that? R.
ती माहित नाही ना सर अजून
ती माहित नाही ना सर.
अगोदर ते काढावं लागेल.
Okay, sorry. Okay, let it be here itself. Then summation fy is not known, no? Summation fy equal to 0. What is that? Downward force negative. Upward कोण कोण आहे? R.
R and P sin
R
25.
Science 25.
R upward, okay, plus P sin, again P will come, no? P sin 25. Then
Minus 300.
Minus 300.
minus 300 equal to
0.
0. From this, what you have did?
R is equal to 300 minus P into P sin 25.
R is equal to 300
नाही सर
divided by,
आरच्या
no?
ठिकाणी आम्ही एफ बाय म्यू पुट करून देन परत ते कॉमन काढून तसं केले.
Means, okay. From equation 1, you might have put the value of here. Suppose I will do equation number 1 to this. Maybe, yeah? Maybe here, equation number 1. You are having value of what?
R.
R. So here you can put value. So can someone tell me what is cos 25 divided by mu? That is mu is 0.3. What is this value will come?
3.02.
Just check. I don't have answer. 3.02.
Yes, sir. 3.02.
Okay. P plus what is the value of this? P sin 25. What is the value of sin 25?
0.42.
0.42. P minus 300 equal to 0. So P will be common into bracket 3.02 plus 0. Into bracket equal to 300. That is P is equal to 300 divided by this. Do whatever. 2.44. Is it something? Just take 0.44 and this 3.
Yes, sir. 3.44.
3.44.
3.44.
Okay. Is it coming as per your answer or something?
87.20.
87.20.
87.20.
87.21 or 20?
20.
20.
20.
20.
Okay, okay. No issue. It will be in Newton. Yes, it will be in Newton. Okay. Yes, whatever you got answer, it is correct. Before that, Sakshi, have you taken alpha as well here? You were telling here somewhere
सर
alpha.
त्याचं काही हे पण होत नाहीये. अल्फा घेतलं काय नाही घेतलं.
म्हणजे तुम्ही काय केलं, त्याला तुम्ही अल्फा समजला आणि रिझोल्युशन केलं. You have resolved the force P by considering alpha. Actually, it might have not
नाही सर ते
affected.
फक्त मी लिहितानाच लिहिलंय त्याचं काही नाही घेतलं अल्फा सारखं.
Okay, okay. But you should not take in this way. Unfortunately or fortunately, we can say it has not affected your this answer. तुमच्या उत्तरावर काहीच परिणाम झाला नाही. Okay, but by mistake also you should not take it as alpha or some other. थोडस मला
Okay,
शंका आली की असं how it is. Okay, so your answer is correct. So whatever you have solved, let's go next problem. Let us see what is there. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, here also, who will read this problem? Same problem again. Same. Let me check. Are you in a position to solve? Same problem. A block of weight 200 Newton is raised on rough horizontal surface. Find the magnitude of force to be applied at an angle of 30 degree to the horizontal in order to just move the body on surface. Assume mu is equal to 0.3. Same problem, only values are changed. Let's see your calculation. Shall we solve togetherly or you will solve within 5-10 minutes? Will you solve this fast?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start it. I will ask randomly to anyone. So, how you have solved? What is your answer of P? Sorry, not 300, 200. Here angle is there, so we can't take it as mu 0.3. Okay, to find force. Same problem, nothing else. Same as it is. Very simple. The force here resolved. That force is resolved here. This resolution is already there. Okay, so actually it should not be, but it is given. Okay. Force P is resolved. All the forces are either horizontal or vertical. The summation apex, what it will become? P cos 30 minus mu r equal to 0. So from this, r is equal to, it will become P cos 30 divided by mu. So this equal to maybe something, and here equation number 1. Then sorry, summation f y equal to 0. Okay, then p sin 30 plus r minus 200 equal to 0. Nobody should tell answer. Huh? I'm going to ask randomly. So this p sin 30, just check whatever it may be. P sin 30 plus r. What is the value of r? P cos 30 divided by mu minus 200 equal to 0. From this directly you can get p is equal to. Nobody should tell answer. I'm going to ask randomly. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Calculate it very carefully. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it over? Okay. Patil Sandeep 57. Patil
Yes, sir.
Sandeep. Okay. What is your answer of P?
No solved, sir.
Not solved. Are you solving or you are not going to solve?
No solved, sir.
Hmm? Vishwajit Gaikwad 20.
173.
173.
Yes, sir.
173. Next one is, let me check. Jagdale 34.
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
60.60.
60.60. Okay. Guru 33. What is your answer?
Sir, 59.40.
59.40. Okay. Avinash 35.
Sir, 59.17.
59.70. Okay. Omkar Mane 39.
Yes,
Omkar.
sir.
What is your answer?
Sir, answer आलं नाही सर सांगते एररच सांगते.
Yes. Calculator, some closing bracket, opening bracket. You should check it carefully.
केलं सर
Riddhi.
पण ते येत नाही.
Riddhi.
Sir,
Your answer.
59.17.
Okay. 59.70. At least one common answer I got. Okay. Utkarsha Shinde
81.85.
81.85. Be proud of your answer. Whatever you will get, you should tell. Be proud of your answer. रोहिणी आपल्या
50
आन्सरचा आपल्याला प्राऊड पाहिजे.
59.40.
59.40. Okay, one answer is there. 59.40. Okay. आता कोणाचं खरं धरायचं? साक्षी, युअर आन्सर.
59.17.
59.17.
सर ते 59.40 आलेलं इक्वेशन वेगळं केलं म्हणून तसं आलं सर.
Let it be 59. Okay, we can answer.
59.70 येते सर.
Okay, we'll check quickly.
सर
Okay,
तुम्ही
because for
मगाशी
one.
सॉल्व्ह केल्यावर सारखं सॉल्व्ह केल्यावर 59.17 आलं सगळ्यांचं सर.
Okay, आणि तुम्ही कसं केलं मग?
ते
नाही
In what
शॉर्ट
सर,
मध्ये
method?
करायला सर.
मी
हा?
काल ज्या पद्धतीने केलं होतं त्याच पद्धतीने केले.
Okay, okay. which is your method?
सर ते इक्वेशन तुम्ही वेगळं हे करता, मी थोडं वेगळं करालो, त्यामुळे तसं व्हाल सर. पॉइंट मध्ये झालं सर ते.
No. I am not saying your answer is wrong, but I want to know which method you have applied. My curiosity. Apart from this, which method you have applied? That's I'm asking, nothing else. Which method you have applied? Apart from this, म्हणजे काय केलंय सांगू शकता थोडक्यात? I want to know which method you have applied. I'm not saying your answer is wrong. Your answer 59 point. All answers are correct. Not 173. हे पुन्हा चालू आहे बघा, म्हणजे कुठं कॅल्क्युलेशन चाललं हे 50, 173, 81.85. Lot of
हॅलो
difference.
सर,
हा.
मी इक्वेशन केलं आणि कॅल्क्युलेटर मधून सॉल्व्ह केले.
ओके. तुमचा आन्सर किती आहे उत्कर्ष? What is your answer?
81.85.
81. Actually, p sin theta. You have taken two simultaneous equations. असं केलंय का तुम्ही?
Yes sir.
It cannot be, no. Two simultaneous equation, according to me, it is not possible to apply. Which two equations is, which are your two unknowns? तुमचे दोन अननोन कुठले आले सांगा मग. दोन इक्वेशन मधले दोन अननोन कुठले? P and R असे आहेत का?
हा सर.
Okay, what is the value of R?
236.9.
मग इतकं व्हेरिएशन यायला नको आहे ना. Something has gone wrong. Your method may be correct, but something has gone wrong. तो तरी चुकलेला आहे. तुमचं इक्वेशन पुटअप करताना कॅल्क्युलेटर मध्ये चुकलेलं आहे. समथिंग इज गॉन रॉंग. 81 cannot be the answer. 59.17 should be the answer. Just check once again. Your method is correct, but execution is wrong. Execution means while putting the values in calculator, you have committed mistake. That's why your answer is varied. तुमची मेथड अगदी बरोबर असेल, पण तुम्ही एज्युकेशन म्हणजे कॅल्क्युलेशन ज्यावेळी करताय त्यावेळी चुकलं ते. बिकॉज यू हॅव कमिटेड वाईल पुटिंग द व्हॅल्यूज इन द कॅल्क्युलेटर. तुम्ही काहीतरी चूक केलेली आहे. यू कॅन सी दॅट हाऊ इट इज. कुठं चूक झाली बघा. shall we finalize the answer or shall we solve quickly? So here p sin 30, okay, plus p cos 30. What is that value, or what is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 half.
Yes sir.
Up, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, it will be half. Yes, it will be half. Okay, then plus what is the value of p cos 30 divided by mu?
2.88.
2.88.
2.
88.
Okay, 2.88 p minus 200 equal to 0. So what it will become? P is equal to 200 divided by this 0.5 plus 2.88. 2.88. How much it is by this calculation?
59.7.
59.17. 17.
Newton. Actually, someone was saying syntax error or maybe scientific error, etc. So you should be very careful while putting the values in calculator. आता हे जर तुम्हाला this division you want to go for 200 divided by into bracket 0.5 plus 2.88. Suppose in short I will tell your mistake. Somebody has just raised that same thing. तुम्ही असं काहीतरी पुटअप केलं कॅल्क्युलेटर मध्ये 200 डिवाइड बाय मीन्स दिस साइन 0.5 परत केलं प्लस 2.88. वेदर इट इज करेक्ट? हे करेक्ट असेल का हो?
No sir.
काय करावं लागेल तुम्हाला याच्यामध्ये? हे तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेटर मध्ये ठेवताय हे असं. सो व्हॉट वेअर यू हॅव कमिटेड मिस्टेक काय राहिलं याच्यामध्ये?
Bracket.
ब्रॅकेट.
येस, हा ब्रॅकेटच पाहिजे, नाही तर त्याची व्हॅल्यू परत बदलणार. दॅट व्हॅल्यू मे गो रॉंग अगेन. तर मग कोणतरी म्हणत होतं बघा की सायंटिफिक समथिंग एरर इज कमिंग मीन्स व्हाईल पुटिंग द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन यू हॅव कमिटेड मिस्टेक. सायंटिफिक एरर येतो याचा अर्थ काय? सायंटिफिक एरर म्हणजे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकचा जो अँगल ठेवताय तुम्ही तो चुकलेला आहे. समवेअर यू हॅव कमिटेड, त्याला सायंटिफिक एरर म्हणायचं. मे बी सम वन अदर एरर इज देअर सिंटॅक्स एरर. तुम्ही काय केलं? सिंटॅक्स एरर म्हणजे काय? तुम्ही कुठला तरी ब्रॅकेट कम्प्लीट करायचा राहिला, दॅट इज सिंटॅक्स एरर. यू हॅव टू चेक. ऍक्च्युली असंच केलं समजा, त्याला समजतच नाही की हा ब्रॅकेट कुठं संपला. इट विल नॉट गिव्ह सम व्हॅल्यू, इट विल से इट इज अ सिंटॅक्स एरर. यू कॅन डू दिस, जस्ट चेक. आय फील इट विल गिव्ह सिंटॅक्स एरर. असं करून बघा वर कॅल्क्युलेटर मध्ये काय एरर येतोय. काही येतच नाही, येणार एरर 100%. बट व्हॉट इज दॅट एरर? मे बी इट इज अ सिंटॅक्स एरर. काय काय येतंय बघा बरं. What is that? Is there any error?
No.
No, sir.
No?
ब्रॅकेट
Sir,
ब्रॅकेट नाही टाकल्यावर तर वेगळं येतंय आन्सर.
answer is correct.
ब्रॅकेट नाही
What?
टाकल्यावर वेगळं येतंय सर आन्सर.
ब्रॅकेट नाही टाकल्यावर मी म्हणत ना, मी काय केलं, एकच ब्रॅकेट टाकलाय हो या साईडला.
हा सर, करेक्ट आलं. एकच ब्रॅकेट टाकलं ना तर आलंय 59.17.
एकच ब्रॅकेट टाकून पण करेक्ट येत आहे.
हा
Yes,
सर.
sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके, इट मे बी
दोन्ही
देन.
ब्रॅकेट नाही टाकले तर वेगळं येतंय आन्सर.
ओके ओके, इट मे बी नाव. फक्त इकडचं टाकून बघा बरं फक्त. या साईडचा टाकून बघा बरं.
डिफरंट येतं.
इट इज नॉट शोइंग एरर, इट इज गिव्हिंग आन्सर. नो,
सर रॉंग येतंय आन्सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके. बट वी शुड गो विथ आवर मेथड. आपल्या मेथड नुसार काय असेल ते calculation, we have to go for that calculation, because that error is coming means while putting the values you are making some mistake. It is as simple as this.
लास्टला
Okay.
ब्रॅकेट टाकल्यावर सिंटॅक्स एरर येते सर.
हा सर, सिंटॅक्स एरर
हा सिंटेक्स
That
एरर येतं.
bracket, yes, that I was telling. If you will commit mistake during putting the values, it will give error from where it has started and where it is gone wrong. That we have to check. Getting? Shall we go
Yes,
next?
sir.
Maybe without the problem. 10 minutes are there. Okay. Is it same? 33 mu r.
No, sir. Weight is different, sir.
Okay, weight is different. P force. Okay, only weight is changed. Nothing, I think.
Mu is changed.
Me with
Okay,
change.
mu is okay. Mu is also changed. Okay. Okay. Just solve within 5 minutes. I will not solve now. I will ask direct answer. V1 W. Hmm. So, Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 1. What is your answer?
20.
Hmm? You are not audible. Will you check your network, please? Sorry. Let it be. You are not audible. Huh? Rule number 1. Sakshi Kadam Patil. 11.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
20.20 Newton.
20.20.
Yes, sir.
Shiv Kumar. 13. 13. Roll number 13. Bosle. Shiv Kumar. Okay. Rutuja. Roll number 23. Rutuja Kavde.
Sir, wait for 1 minute.
Okay. Those who have completed, you can give answer. Huh? Pranali 29. Have you completed? Pranali. Mayuri 31. Mayuri 42. Nihal. Hmm?
20.
Okay. Vaishnavi Patil 49. Same method, only we have to put different values. I think. Okay. Sin 30 is half. 0.5 P plus R. What is cos 30 divided by mu? What is that value? Just check. Cos 30 divided by mu.
3.46.
3.46.
3.46.
Minus 8.
3.46 P minus 80 equal to 0, which implies that 80 P is equal to 80 divided by equal to किती येते सांगा. Only we have to do calculation, nothing else.
20.20
Newton.
20.
20.20 Newton.
Okay, 20.20 Newton. C is equal to okay 20.20 Newton. Others also you should do calculation, because probability of offline exam is more than online exam. Only observing, it is something like we can say news channel. It should not be something like a news channel. Just it is for our information. आपण न्यूज चॅनल बघतो बघा घरामध्ये टीव्ही वरती, त्याचा काय इफेक्ट असतो का आपलं जस्ट फॉर अवर इन्फॉर्मेशन. म्हणजे ईएमचं लेक्चर मला बरंच ऑब्झर्व व्हायला लागलंय क्लासमध्ये. Others are also not participating actively, but this is my observation. It should not happen. EM lecture or any other, not only our subject, any other lecture, it is not just for information. आपल्याला माहित असावं याच्यासाठी चाललेलं नाही. So according to me, probability of offline exam is more than online. And subject like this, one twist, you will stuck up. एक कुठं तरी ट्विस्ट पडला, मी पुढे जाऊ शकणार नाही. It is not that only simple mathematical subject is there. Your logic, etc., is most important. Take care almost. So this problem, shall we just go? What is that? Okay, we will solve this problem in maybe at the 1 p.m. or there is one test, practice test. Shall I give for practicing? Some problems are there like multiple choice question, because I have some lectures on other program, and there are two lectures, no, afternoon session, mathematics 2 and mine 1. Is it correct? If
Yes,
you are
sir.
having timetable. So what we will do, I will put one test. Okay, this multiple choice question test, but certain problems are also there in that. So it is necessary to solve. So if there will be no lecture at 1 p.m., so I will put that test link. I will send. I will give message. Solve this test for certain 1 or 2 hours, whatever. And there may be at 3 p.m. there is a CS lecture. Your communication skill lecture will be there at 3 to 4. If the racer is unable to take mathematics lecture, then I will put test at 1 p.m. It is just a practice test, multiple choice question test. Okay, certain problems are there, some theory is there on whatever syllabus we have studied till now. Just online practice test. Okay, that we will see. This problem we will solve in next lecture. Just note down. If not, we are going to solve because many more terms are there. It is not possible to solve within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, attendance is taken. I will read the number. Roll number 4 absent.
ISC चे पेपर चेक केले?
It is going on. Probable today evening or tomorrow morning you will get. Others
Okay.
given. Only is it the case? Only mine is remained.
नो सर
No.
कोण सांगितलं नाही तसं
Okay. Hmm?
कोण सांगितलं नाही सर अजून मार्क्स
Okay. Okay. I will give. Don't worry. Then roll number 4, 12, 13, 19, 22, 24, 27, 37, 40 and 48 are absent. याच्यापैकी कोण प्रेझेंट असेल तर सांगा लगेच. रोल नंबर 4, 12, 13, 19, 22, 24, 27, 37, 40 and 48. If not, I am going to close. Thank you very much.